Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very excited today.
I'm very excited. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes. It's a very good topic, very practical.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And click the like button and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, Tom, are you ready?
I am ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is how to talk at a hotel.
A very important topic. People need this when they travel.
They do. When you go to a new city, a new country, you need a place to stay.
It's true. And sometimes it's hard to know what to say in English.
Yes. So today we will talk about it. We will make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So, who starts? You or me?
How about we start together? Let's imagine we are traveling. We are going to a beautiful city, maybe London or New York.
Ooh, I like that. And we need a hotel.
Exactly. So the first step, what do we do before we go to the hotel?
Before? We pack our bags?
Yes, but I mean for the hotel. We need to make a reservation.
A reservation. That's a good word.
It is. A reservation means you book a room before you arrive.
So, I don't just walk in and ask for a room?
You can, but it's better to have a reservation. The hotel knows you are coming.
I see. And how do I make a reservation?
You can call the hotel on the phone. Or you can use the internet. Many websites help you book hotels.
So, I book online. I choose my dates.
Yes, the check-in date is when you arrive. The checkout date is when you leave.
Check in and check out. Okay, what else do I choose?
You choose the type of room. Do you want a single room or a double room?
What's the difference?
A single room is for one person. It has one small bed. A double room is for two people. It usually has one big bed.
I understand. I am traveling alone, so I need a single room.
Perfect. So you make your reservation. You get a confirmation email.
Confirmation email, that's important.
Very important. You should print it or save it on your phone.
Okay, I have my confirmation. Now I arrive at the hotel. What do I say?
The first thing you say is very simple. You say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Hello, I have a reservation. That's easy.
It is. And the receptionist will ask, "Under what name, please?"
Oh, so I say my name. Tom Wilson.
Exactly. And they will look at the computer. They will check your booking.
And then what happens?
They will ask to see your passport or your ID.
My passport. Okay, why do they need it?
For security and for the hotel records. They need to know who is staying.
I see. So I give them my passport.
Yes. And they might ask you to fill in a registration form.
A registration form. What is that?
It's a paper with questions. Your name, your address, your nationality. So you give your passport, you fill in the form, and then they give you your key.
My key. Like a normal key?
Not always. Many hotels use key cards now.
Key cards? What are those?
They are plastic cards. They look like credit cards. You hold them close to the door and it opens.
Oh, that's very modern. No more turning keys.
Exactly. It's easier and safer.
I like it. So I have my key card. What else do I need to know?
The receptionist will tell you your room number. For example, your room is 305. and they will tell you what floor it's on. It's on the third floor.
Third floor. Is there an elevator?
Great question. You can ask, is there an elevator? Or you can say, where is the elevator?
Where is the elevator? Perfect. I don't want to walk up 3 floors with my bags.
No one does. The receptionist will say, the elevator is on your left, or the elevator is straight ahead.
Straight ahead. That means in front of me.
Exactly. So you take the elevator to your floor. You find your room.
Room 305, here it is. Now, how do I use the key card?
You hold it close to the lock on the door. You will hear a beep. The light will turn green.
Then I can open the door.
Yes. And if the light is red, it means it didn't work. Try again.
Okay. I open the door. Wow, this is my room.
How is it? Do you like it?
It's very nice. There's a big bed, a desk, a chair.
That's good. What about the bathroom?
The bathroom. Let me check. Oh, yes, it's very clean. There are towels.
Towels are very important. Big towels for your body, small towels for your face.
I see both. And there's soap and shampoo.
Perfect. The hotel provides those things.
That's convenient. I don't need to bring my own.
Now, Tom, let's talk about something very important. The air conditioning.
Air conditioning. Why is that important?
Because sometimes the room is too hot or too cold.
Ah, I understand. So how do I change it?
You look for the control. It's usually on the wall near the bed.
I found it. There are buttons.
Yes. Up makes it warmer, down makes it colder.
So if I'm cold, I press up.
Exactly. You can also turn it off completely.
That's good to know. Okay, the room is comfortable now. What's next?
Well, you might be hungry. Let's talk about food.
Yes, I'm always hungry after traveling.
You have two options. You can go to a restaurant outside the hotel.
Outside. But I'm tired. I don't want to go outside.
Then you can use room service.
Room service. What is that?
Room service is when you call the hotel kitchen. You order food. They bring it to your room.
They bring food to my room? That's amazing.
It is very convenient. You just pick up the phone.
The phone in the room?
Yes, there's usually a special button for room service. It might say room service, or it might be number 7 or number 9.
Okay. I press the button. Someone answers. What do I say?
You say, hello, I would like to order room service, please.
Hello. I would like to order room service, please.
Perfect. And they will ask, what room are you in?
Oh, my room number. I'm in room 305.
Good. And then they will ask, what would you like to order?
What would I like to order? Let me think. I want a burger.
You can say, I would like a cheeseburger, please.
I would like a cheeseburger, please. And French fries.
Good. A cheeseburger and French fries. They might ask, anything to drink?
Yes, I would like a Coke, please.
Perfect. And they will tell you, it will be ready in 20 minutes, or it will be ready in 30 minutes.
Okay. So I wait. And then what?
Someone will knock on your door. You open it. They have your food.
Great. Do I need to pay?
You can pay with cash, or you can charge it to your room.
Charge it to my room? What does that mean?
It means you don't pay now. They add it to your bill. You pay everything when you check out.
Oh, that's easy. I like that. Please charge it to my room.
Exactly. So you eat your burger. You watch TV.
But Sarah, what if I need something? What if I need more towels?
Great question. You can call housekeeping.
Housekeeping, what is that?
Housekeeping is the department that cleans the rooms. They also bring towels, pillows, blankets.
So I call them. What do I say?
You say, hello, this is room 305. Can I have some extra towels, please?
Can I have some extra towels, please? That's easy.
And they will say, of course, we will bring them right away.
Right away. That means soon.
Yes, in a few minutes.
This is very helpful. Okay. Let's say it's morning now. I wake up. I'm hungry again.
Breakfast time. Many hotels have a breakfast buffet.
Buffet. What is a buffet?
A buffet is a big table with many different foods. You take what you want.
So I don't order from a menu. I just take the food.
Exactly. There might be eggs, bread, fruit, juice, coffee.
That sounds delicious. Where's the breakfast buffet?
Usually on the ground floor. You can ask the receptionist, "Where is the breakfast room?"
Where is the breakfast room? And what time is breakfast?
Good question. You can ask, "What time is breakfast?"
What time is breakfast?
They might say, "Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m."
Okay, so I go to the breakfast room. I show my room number.
Yes. They will ask, "What room are you in?" You say, 305.
Room 305. And then I can eat.
Exactly. You go to the buffet, you get a plate, you take what you like.
This is wonderful. I love buffets.
Now, Tom, let's talk about the internet. The Wi Fi.
Oh yes, Wi-Fi is very important. I need to check my email.
Most hotels have free Wi Fi now.
Free? That's good. How do I connect?
You need the password. You can ask the receptionist, "What is the Wi Fi password?"
What is the Wi-Fi password?
And they will tell you. Sometimes it's written on a card in your room.
A card in my room. Let me look. Oh, here it is. The Wi-Fi name is Hotel Guest. The password is welcome123.
Perfect. Now you can connect your phone or your laptop.
Great, I'm connected. Now I can work or I can watch videos.
Exactly. Okay, Tom, let's talk about problems. What if something is wrong?
Wrong? Like what?
Maybe the TV doesn't work, or the shower is cold.
Oh, that's bad. What do I do?
You call the reception. You explain the problem.
How do I explain?
You say, "Hello, this is room 305. I have a problem. The TV is not working."
The TV is not working or the shower is cold.
Yes, and they will say, "We're sorry. We'll send someone to fix it right away."
They will send someone. That's good. What if I lose my key card?
You go to the reception. You say, "I lost my key card. Can I have a new one?"
Can I have a new one? That's easy.
They will make a new card for you. For security.
I understand. Okay, Sarah, now it's my last day. I need to leave. What do I do?
You need to check out.
Check out. That's the opposite of check in.
Exactly. Check-in is when you arrive. Check-out is when you leave.
So I go to the reception. What do I say?
You say, "Hello, I would like to check out, please."
I would like to check out, please. My room number is 305.
Perfect. And they will prepare your bill.
My bill. That's the list of things I need to pay.
Yes. The room, the food, anything else you used.
They will show me the bill. I look at it.
Yes. Make sure it's correct. If something is wrong, you can say, "I think there's a mistake."
I think there's a mistake. I didn't order this.
And they will check and correct it.
Good. Okay, the bill is correct. How do I pay?
You can say, "Can I pay by credit card?" Or, "Can I pay with cash?"
Can I pay by credit card? That's easier for me.
They will give you a machine. You insert your card. You enter your PIN.
My PIN. Okay, done. Do I need anything else?
They will give you a receipt.
A receipt. Okay. And my key card?
You give it back to them.
I give it back. Is that all?
That's all. But you can ask, "Can you call a taxi for me?"
Can you call a taxi for me? That's very helpful.
They will call a taxi. It will arrive in a few minutes.
Perfect. So I say goodbye. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. Have a safe trip.
Have a safe trip. That's a nice way to say goodbye.
It is. Okay, Tom. We talked about a lot of things today.
We did, from check-in to checkout.
These phrases will help you so much.
They will. Hotels can be easy when you know what to say.
Exactly. Don't be afraid. The hotel staff wants to help you.
That's true, they are usually very friendly.
And if you don't understand something, you can say, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Can you repeat that, please? Or can you speak more slowly?
Yes, those phrases are very useful.
This was a great lesson, Sarah. I feel ready to travel now.
I'm so happy to hear that. And remember, practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect. I will practice these phrases every day.
That's wonderful. Well, I think our time is up for today.
Already? Time goes fast when you're learning.
It really does. So before we go, we want to ask our amazing listeners for a little favor.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, Everyday English Lab, and give this episode a big thumbs up.
It really helps people find our podcast. And please share it with anyone who is learning English.
We want to help as many people as we can.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice.
Yes, go to the comment section below and tell us. Have you ever stayed in a hotel?
What is your favorite part of staying in a hotel? The room service, the pool, the breakfast?
We would love to read your comments and learn a little bit about you.
Yes, it'll be so much fun.
Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure.
Stay safe and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.